Hey Excel Geeks, it's Jack and I am back with another Lambda generation. Let's go. Case from one of my favorite case authors, Peter Schall. Level 3 starts using a dice. So we're just going to throw together a really quick Lambda that says this is the count on the dice. Control-Shift-O and mark as input cell. And create this function as equals Unicode of our input cell minus 9855. That is my formula. I'm going to run a robot and I'm going to say save Lambda. I'm going to call the Lambda dice and give myself credit because I'm the first person to ever create this particular Lambda. Equals dice on my first question here. I'm going to use the nice autofill down feature. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.